Are you looking for a creative way to show your appreciation for your favorite teacher and help make them feel like $1,000,000 this Teacher Appreciation Week? Keep watching because I have got the perfect gift idea for you. Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create some custom candy bar wrappers over on Canva that will help you impress your favorite teacher. For this project, you're going to need the following materials: a 1.5 ounce 100 gram candy bar, a free Canva account, a color printer, your choice of paper. I'm going to be printing my labels out on glossy photo paper, but you can use any standard size copy paper of your choice. Just make sure it's compatible with your printer. If you can't print from home, you can have your local print shop print your labels for you. A hot glue gun or double-sided tape. And you're also going to need some scissors or a paper trimmer. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head on over to canva.com and log into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. You can use our referral link in the description box down below to try Canva Pro free for 30 days. It's definitely worth it. You can select this flyer option if you have it on your home screen, or you can head on up to custom size, make sure it's in inches, and you want your page size to be 8.5 by 11 inches. So once your blank canvas pulls up, we can head on over to Elements, scroll down to Lines and Shapes, and from there we can start creating our template. Right, so now we have the measurements for the label. I just wanted to show you that you will be able to fit 2 labels on the page here. Now it's time to get creative. Design your custom wrapper by adding background colors, images, and text. You also want to make sure you include a special message to your teacher to show your appreciation. You can head on over to the Upload tab to start uploading images in Clipart. You can also search Canva's library for clip art or images to use in your design. I have already uploaded all of my images and clip arts and saved them in folders. I'm about to scroll through everything and add what I want to use in my design to my page. Once you're happy with your design, you can save it and download it. It's best to save it as a high quality PDF file, or you can save it as an image file. Alright, so I just walked you through the simple steps on how to create this teacher appreciation candy bar wrapper gift yourself. However, if you're eager to get started or want to save more time, I do have a pre-made template available on our website that you can purchase, or you can grab it for free if you're one of our Patreon members. If you're interested in joining our Patreon, you can scan this code right here, or you can click the link in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and I can't wait to see your custom 100 grand candy bar wrappers. If you try this project for yourself, leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Or share your creations with us on social media by tagging us at Hanging with the Kiddos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more awesome DIYs. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.